Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Explore the realm of modern interior aesthetics with innovative, passion, bold design ideas tailored for both home and office spaces. These contemporary designs redefine spatial dynamics, offering a perfect blend of functionality and style, from sleek glass partitions that enhance natural light flow to dynamic dividers that serve as artistic focal points. The options are diverse, embrace the versatility of materials such as wood, metal, or frosted glass, or allowing you to customize the aesthetic to match your design preferences. These modern partitions wall not only create distinct zones with a space but also contribute to an open and collaborative atmosphere. Whether you're seeking privacy in a home office or fostering teamwork in a corporate setting, these designs adapt seamlessly to your needs. Experience the transformative power of modern partition walls as they elevate the visual appeal of your interiors while optimizing the use of valuable space. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.